Hi, my name is Ben Wootton. I'm an amateur photographer from the UK. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Opticron Explorer WA-EDR. This is the Explorer WA-EDR by Opticron. And the first thing you'll notice with this monocular is its light compact design. I was really impressed by the optics and the magnification it provides. The field of view is neither too narrow nor too wide. Another great thing about this lens is the size, how small it is. It's a perfect size, it goes straight in the pocket. And for this, you don't need to worry about lugging around a massive lens. There's little to no chromatic aberration. When you're looking through it, you have the focus ring, so you're able to twist and adjust. So when you're looking for something, you have to set the focus to what you're looking for, which I really like, and has a really good depth of field. If you're a bird watcher, a hiker, wildlife enthusiast, or just a weekend warrior, I highly recommend you to get the Opticron Explorer WA-EDR. What a mouthful.